Welcome to All Auto Parts Group channel. Ford vehicles, known for their reliability and performance, sometimes face issues with their transmissions. Transmission problems can significantly impact a vehicle's performance, leading to poor fuel economy, rough shifting, and even complete failure. For Ford owners, these issues can be incredibly frustrating and costly to repair. Transmission problems can manifest in various ways, from subtle signs like a slight hesitation when shifting gears to more severe issues like the transmission slipping or the vehicle not moving. Ignoring these symptoms can exacerbate the problem, leading to more extensive and expensive repairs down the line. The frustration of dealing with a faulty transmission is compounded by the fact that it is a complex system. Identifying the root cause of the problem often requires specialized knowledge and tools, making it difficult for the average car owner to diagnose and fix the issue themselves. Several common transmission problems plague various Ford models. These issues can range from faulty solenoids and sensors to worn-out clutches and gears. Understanding these common problems can help Ford owners better understand the potential causes of their transmission troubles and take appropriate action. One of the most prevalent issues is solenoid malfunction. Solenoids are electromechanical valves that control the flow of transmission fluid, and their failure can lead to harsh shifting, delayed engagement, or even a complete loss of drive. Another common culprit is faulty sensors, such as the vehicle speed sensor or the output shaft speed sensor. These sensors provide crucial information to the transmission control module, TCM, and their malfunction can disrupt the transmission's ability to shift gears smoothly. Worn-out clutches and bands, often caused by high mileage or aggressive driving, can also lead to slipping gears and reduced transmission performance. In some cases, the torque converter, responsible for transferring power from the engine to the transmission, can also fail, leading to a loss of power and potential damage to the transmission. Identifying the specific symptoms of a transmission problem is crucial for diagnosing the underlying cause and determining the appropriate course of action. Harsh shifting, characterized by a jarring or banging sensation when changing gears, can be caused by various factors, including low transmission fluid, a faulty solenoid, or worn-out clutch packs. Slipping gears, where the engine revs up but the vehicle doesn't accelerate as expected, usually indicate a problem with the clutches, bands, or the torque converter. Delayed engagement, where there is a noticeable delay between shifting into gear and the vehicle responding, can be caused by low transmission fluid, a faulty valve body, or a failing pump. Addressing these issues typically involves a combination of fluid flushes, component replacement, and in some cases, a complete transmission rebuild. For instance, low transmission fluid can be remedied by simply adding more fluid, while a faulty solenoid would require replacement. More severe issues like worn-out clutches or a damaged torque converter might necessitate a complete transmission overhaul. Ford's F-Series trucks, particularly the F-150, are renowned for their durability and capability. However, even these workhorses are not immune to transmission problems. The 6R86-speed automatic transmission, commonly found in F-150s from 2009 to 2016, has been particularly prone to issues. One of the most common problems with the 6R80 transmission is a shudder or vibration while shifting, often occurring between second and third gear. This issue is typically caused by a faulty torque converter clutch, TCC, solenoid, or a worn-out torque converter. Other common problems include harsh downshifts, delayed engagement, and a slipping sensation when accelerating. Addressing these issues in the F-150's 6R80 transmission often involves replacing the faulty solenoids, the torque converter, or both. In some cases, a complete transmission rebuild might be necessary, especially if the problem has been ignored for an extended period and caused further damage to internal components. For further informative videos, tune into All Auto Parts Group channel.